Welcome to the road to $1 million US. Let's get right into the Bitcoin chart for today, starting on the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. And as always, nothing in this video is my personal opinion. I am only sharing the unbiased technical analysis and nothing more. Now, like I said, we're going to start with the short-term analysis, and basically we can start off with this parallel channel, this sideways channel that we are currently in. Notice how we have some support to the downside here, sitting from 87 all the way down to 86.5k. And in terms of resistance to the upside, that is sitting from 89.8k all the way up to 90.2k. Now, while obviously we are seeing a lot of volatility on the lower time frames here, overall on the 4-hour time frame, we are still just in this parallel channel, in this sideways range. As you will see throughout this video, we are basically just chopping sideways across all the different time frames. However, something very interesting is starting to happen on this 12-hour time frame, because right here you can see that these Bollinger Bands are contracting and they're squeezing the Bitcoin price because there is so little volatility on this time frame, right? Now, as you saw in one of my recent videos, we also had a big squeeze in these Bollinger Bands, which resulted in massive volatility on a much lower time frame. But now we are looking at potentially a similar situation coming up on this 12-hour time frame as well. So this is obviously going to be a higher time frame move that we're looking at. It does mean that it will take more time to actually play out, but at least it tells us that we might be coming to the end of this long consolidation that we are currently in. So right now, in terms of support and resistance, we are trading above this Fibonacci level of resistance, the 0.786, sitting at 85.6k, and we have this Fibonacci golden pocket acting as an area of resistance, as you can see right here, sitting as high as 94.3k. Moving on to the support and resistance on the daily time frame, here you can see that we have this big level of support from 87 down to 85k. And we have resistance to the upside sitting from 90 all the way up to 92k. Something interesting that has happened is that we were trading below this descending trend line for many months. However, now we are actually seeing a break of this descending trend line, telling us to possibly keep an open mind about seeing a bit of bullish relief coming sometime soon. Another point of confluence for this idea is that we are also seeing a bullish divergence on this 3-day time frame. Now, a bullish divergence is when you have lower lows in the Bitcoin price and higher lows in the RSI momentum indicator. And typically when we see this confirm, as it has done right here, this points towards us getting a break from all of the bearish price action that we saw before that. And it usually plays out either in the form of some choppy sideways price action or potentially some bullish momentum. Of course, so far we are basically seeing some choppy sideways price action. So that is all playing out as expected. However, I am keeping an open mind about possibly seeing a bit of bullish relief coming sometime soon. Perhaps we're going to start to see some fireworks happen if we actually break outside of this range. So I would definitely keep a close eye on this level of support and resistance that I showed you on the much lower time frame. Something to point out here as well, though, is that if we get a candle close below 86,000 on this 3-day time frame, that will invalidate this bullish divergence, meaning that it completely opens the door to more bearish price action once again. So watch out if you actually see that happen. Moving on to the Bitcoin liquidation heat map. First of all, on this 1-week time frame, right now we do have a bunch of liquidity to the downside sitting at around 86.2k, and there is big liquidity to the upside at around 91,000. And in the case that you don't know, typically the Bitcoin price gets attracted to where there is the most liquidity on this chart. So in the shorter term, keep an open mind about possibly seeing some kind of liquidity being swept here, especially while we are still chopping sideways in that range. However, if we actually zoom out to the 1-month time frame, here there's even more liquidity to the upside sitting around that 91k level. And as you may notice as well, 91k is right above this area of resistance from this parallel channel. So be aware that there is a bunch of liquidity up there. Now, to quickly summarize everything I talked about in this video, on the 4-hour time frame, I am actually quite neutral on Bitcoin. We are basically just chopping sideways, and I do believe it makes more sense to actually be trading the much lower time frames, because that is where all the action is going to be happening. On the 12-hour time frame, also chopping sideways, although potentially we are going to see some fireworks sometime soon, considering that we have these Bollinger Bands squeezing the Bitcoin price, which typically happens right before we get massive volatility on that time frame. So be ready for that. And of course, while we are technically still in a downtrend, currently in a bit of a consolidation within a larger downtrend, at the same time, we are actually starting to see some potential reversal signals, like a break of this descending trend line And on top of that, we also have that bullish divergence that I showed you on the 3-day time frame. So this is why even within this bearish market structure that we are currently in, I'm keeping an open mind about possibly seeing some kind of bullish relief coming sometime soon. Now, if you're going to be trading Bitcoin or crypto in general, I recommend you check out Blowfin. This is the crypto exchange that I personally trade on as well. I will leave a link to this in the video description, because if you create your account, guys, you get a 10% cashback on your deposit up to $1,000 if you deposit 10K. But of course, if you deposit 5K, you get $500, which is of course going to be added on top of your deposit. And besides that, they also have massive trading volume bonuses depending on how much you're trading. And these bonuses can also go up to $9,400 if you create your account with the link in the video description. But either way, if you do end up checking it out or not, thank you for watching once again, and I will see you tomorrow in the next one.